In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Acorns password. Welcome back everyone to this quick tutorial video. If you've forgotten the password of your Acorns account, in this video, let me show you the quick process of resetting and creating a new password. To reset your password, open up the app of Acorns and then type in the email address that is associated with your Acorns account. Tap on Login. Now it will show you the section of entering in the password. Just beneath it, you'll see a section called Forgot Password. You just need to tap on the Forgot Password option and a password reset email will be sent to the email that is linked with your account. You just need to follow the steps or open the email. So head over to the email that is associated with your account, and once you tap on the link, you'll be taken to this page. You also may get a push notification on the notification section. So just scroll down and just tap on the push notifications. Also, this way you'll be taken to the password reset section. Here just type in the last 4 digits of your social security number and then type in the new password that you like. So enter in the last 4 digits of your social security, type in the new password that you like and then again confirm it. This way you can just tap on change password and new password will be immediately applied. This way you can easily tap open the app of Acorns and use the new password that you just created to log into your Acorns account. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.